So now with the BIM, Building Information Modeling, we can read the IFC files, read and query. So we're going to make use of a normal file open command, and then in the dialog you will see at the bottom where it says files of type, you will see it says BIM files IFC. So in this exercise I'm going to open two files. The one is a structural building and the other one is an architectural one. So the first one, I'm going to select the file I want to make use of, and I'm going to say open. I'm going to press F4. And as I'm going to orbit it, as you can see, there's my building. Now the advantage of IFC file is that once you select the object, if I select the slab, on the right hand side you will see that under my object properties I've got a design tab, a display tab, extended data. New is, or added, is the IFC tab, and as you can see my floor slab is selected, and as I go down, that's all the information that is linked to that object. If I press escape, I'm just going to select one of those beams, and on the right hand side once again, as you can see, all the detail about that flange. And what's nice about it is that we can also do either elevation or a section. So I'm going to make use under my build of a quick section, my vertical section. So for this exercise I'm just going to do a section through my building. E for end, I'm going to do up to there, and Caddie will ask me indicate position for section. It generates the section, and you will see now it displays all the detail in this section. So if I zoom in, as you can see, that is what's in the file. If I go to another sample, is that we're using the same command, file open. I'm going to change my type of file to IFC, and I'm going to make use of the duplex. I'm going to say open, F4, and as I'm going to orbit it, as you can see, there's some more detail in here. Let's start off with, if I zoom in, if I select that casement, on the right hand side, as you can see, it's given the size, all the detail that's linked to this object. There's even a sofa with all its detail. And as I mentioned, we can do elevations. So let's make use of the vertical section, quick section, E for option end, and indicate the position for section. So new to Caddie 26, we can read now IFC files for the building information modeling environment.